If you're dealing with soil erosion on challenging landscapes, finding the right solution is key. The best erosion control blanket for steep slopes provides reliable soil stabilization, helping protect against washouts while supporting healthy vegetation growth on difficult terrain. Number 1. Erosion Control Blanket. The erosion control blanket is a reliable and environmentally conscious solution for managing soil stabilization on steep slopes and other erosion-prone areas. Made from a carefully balanced blend of 70% agricultural wheat straw and 30% organic coconut fiber, this blanket is designed to provide temporary yet effective erosion control. What makes this product particularly appealing is its commitment to sustainability. Both the materials and the netting are 100% biodegradable, with the brown poly net designed to degrade naturally after 90 days. This ensures that the blanket performs its job without leaving synthetic waste behind. Ideal for a variety of applications, this erosion control blanket shines on riverbeds, hillsides, culvert inlets, outfalls, and channel linings. Its versatility makes it a go-to option for contractors and land management professionals tackling construction projects and landscape restoration. One standout feature is its ability to support seed germination. By shielding newly planted seeds from erosion, runoff, and harsh weather, the blanket creates a protected environment conducive to healthy growth. This characteristic is especially valuable on steep slopes where soil tends to wash away before plants can establish strong roots. Users appreciate how easily this blanket can be unrolled and secured in place, providing immediate coverage and protection. Its combination of straw and coconut fibers not only stabilizes the soil, but also helps retain moisture, further enhancing seed germination and early plant development. Overall, the erosion control blanket is a dependable, eco-friendly product perfect for addressing erosion control needs on difficult terrain. Number 2. VBS Erosion Control Blanket. The VBS Erosion Control Blanket offers an effective and environmentally responsible solution for protecting vulnerable slopes and landscapes from soil erosion. Constructed from 70% agricultural wheat straw and 30% organic coconut fiber, this temporary rolled erosion control product delivers a durable and natural way to stabilize soil. One of its notable attributes is the 100% biodegradable netting, which features a photodegradable brown poly net that fully decomposes after 90 days. This thoughtful design ensures minimal environmental impact while delivering reliable performance. This erosion control blanket is particularly popular for its moisture retention capabilities. By helping to hold moisture within the soil, it creates an ideal environment for seed germination and promotes lush, healthy vegetation growth. Contractors and landscapers alike find it a practical choice for a range of applications, including riverbanks, hillside restorations, culvert areas, and drainage ditches. Its versatility makes it well-suited for both residential landscaping projects and large-scale commercial developments. The VBS blanket is praised for its straightforward installation process, requiring minimal tools and effort. Once in place, it immediately begins to protect soil from runoff, heavy rain, and wind, giving newly sown seeds a better chance to establish strong, resilient root systems. Its dual benefits of soil stabilization and enhanced plant growth make it a valuable asset in erosion control strategies. Number 3. Sandbaggy Jute Netting Roll. The Sandbaggy Jute netting roll stands out as a heavy-duty erosion control solution ideal for stabilizing slopes, hillsides, and drainage areas. Designed with durability and environmental responsibility in mind, this product is made from 100% natural jute fiber. Its eco-friendly composition allows it to naturally decompose over time, enriching the soil while leaving no synthetic residue behind. Depending on site conditions, it lasts between 6 to 24 months, providing ample protection during critical vegetation growth periods. One of the Sandbaggy netting roll's standout features is its robust ability to withstand heavy rains, wind, and water runoff. This makes it an excellent choice for both residential and commercial applications, including large-scale construction sites. Installation is user-friendly, requiring the netting to be unrolled over prepared soil and secured with landscape staples. Its generous coverage area and easy overlapping capability ensure seamless soil protection. Another notable aspect is its Contractor and Department of Transportation (DOT) approval, signifying that it meets or exceeds federal and state standards for erosion control. This gives users added confidence in the product's reliability and effectiveness for demanding projects. Additionally, it promotes natural vegetation growth by stabilizing the soil and preventing erosion long enough for plants to develop deep, secure roots. For those seeking a biodegradable, high-performance erosion control solution, the Sandbaggy Jute netting roll is a dependable and sustainable option.
Number 4. Farm Plastic Supply. Farm Plastic Supply's jute matting is a practical and eco-conscious choice for temporary erosion control on shallow slopes and low-risk channels. This product excels in protecting soil from rainfall and runoff, preventing sediment displacement and soil loss in vulnerable areas. Its 100% biodegradable and photodegradable makeup ensures it breaks down naturally over time without causing environmental harm, making it a responsible choice for erosion control projects. The matting supports seed germination by shielding newly planted seeds from erosion and suppressing weed growth, which gives seeds a better chance to take root and thrive. When used alongside grass seed, it provides additional soil stabilization and promotes quicker, healthier plant growth. Its soil retention capability is particularly valuable for slopes and areas prone to washouts, helping to hold soil in place during the crucial stages of vegetation establishment. Made from premium jute, a time-honored natural fiber known for its strength and biodegradable qualities, this matting is both durable and gentle on the environment. The golden fiber has been prized for centuries, and in this modern application, it provides effective soil stabilization while naturally decomposing into the earth. Farm Plastic Supply's product is easy to install, versatile for various applications, and an excellent option for environmentally minded contractors and homeowners alike. Number 5. Erosion Control Blanket. This erosion control blanket combines 70% agricultural wheat straw and 30% organic coconut fiber to deliver dependable temporary erosion control for various outdoor applications. The blend offers a balanced approach, with straw providing quick coverage and coconut fiber adding durability and strength. The product's netting is 100% biodegradable, constructed from a photodegradable brown polynet that safely decomposes after 90 days, leaving no lasting waste. Ideal for protecting newly seeded areas from erosion, runoff, and harsh weather, this blanket also helps retain moisture in the soil, fostering better seed germination and vegetation growth. Its versatility makes it a practical choice for riverbeds, hillsides, culvert inlets and outfalls, and channel and ditch linings. Contractors and landscapers value its easy installation and reliable performance, whether used in residential yards or commercial projects. Beyond soil stabilization, the erosion control blanket creates a supportive microclimate for seeds, guarding against erosion and facilitating faster growth. The combination of biodegradable materials ensures that it enriches the soil as it naturally breaks down, contributing to long-term soil health. With its proven effectiveness, ease of use, and eco-friendly design, this erosion control blanket remains a popular choice for anyone seeking practical and responsible erosion management solutions. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.